So I'm gonna show you how to remove background from any kind of image. And for this video, we're gonna use this image because it has a character with its abilities, a lot of effects and a lot of empty holes. So it will be tough for an AI or site to remove the background, but if it can do it, it will be great. So go for Google, search for background remover. As you can see, we're gonna use remove.bg. Why remove.bg and not Adobe? Adobe also a good choice, but remove.bg will always give you accurate results. So go in this site and the link will be in the description, so don't worry about that. Click upload image and upload the image. We're gonna select this image, open, and wait for some moments. Okay, I think I have to upload again, my bad. Yeah, it's gonna take some moments and you will have your results. Let's see. So your image is ready. All you have to do is click on download option. Free version, it's 611 by 408. If you have paid version, you can go for max quality, but I'm using free version, so just free version, and it's downloaded. Background removed. Easy, guys.